This video will cover two PVNMS HTTP password-related features. The bulk SNMP feature changes the HTTP password on multiple units at the same time via SNMP OID. The password management feature manages the PVNMS HTTP passwords. The first option we're going to cover is how to change the HTTP password on multiple radios at the same time via bulk SNMP OID. To do so, go ahead and click on Network Control, then Schedule Tasks, then go ahead and click Add Task. We're going to select SNMP Bulk Set, click Next. You're going to select the radios that you're going to want to change the HTTP password on. Go ahead and add them here. Click Next. Now we're going to go ahead and add the SNMP OID. The OID is either going to be either number form or in word form. In this particular case, we'll go ahead and do HTTP password.0. Just going to go ahead and paste it. Now we're going to go and type in our value for our new HTTP password. Remember, by default, it is public. So now we're going to go ahead and change it to something else. In my case, I'll go ahead and change it to public 1. Go ahead and click Next. Now you could go ahead and name it whatever you want. It's just a naming convention. You could have it start at any given time, or you could do it now. Just go ahead and click Finish. Once that's done, you'll see it pop up over here. All right, you could go ahead and select. We could go and run this now. And after it's completed and successful, you should see this. After the passwords have been set, the next step is to go ahead and commit and reboot the radios so the new passwords can take effect. To do so, we're still going to be in Schedule Tasks. We're going to click Add Task, Commit and Reboot, click Next. Once again, we're going to select our radios. Next, first we're going to commit, select that. Go ahead and type in whatever we want. I'm going to type in commit. Select our time and date, click Finish. I'm going to go ahead and run this now. All right, and this is what we should see, commit successful. All right, now we're going to go ahead and reboot the radios. So once again, we're going to do Add Task, Commit and Reboot. Next, select our radios. Next, we're going to do Reboot this time. Next, we'll call, once again, whatever we want. Just go ahead and call it Reboot. Set the time. Now, especially the time may be important to you. You may need to do a maintenance window of some sort. I'm just going ahead and do mine now. Click Finish, Reboot, and Run now. Now, after the radios have finished rebooting, you're going to have your new HTTP passwords. Now that we set the HTTP password on the radios, the next step is to go ahead and let PVNMS know that we changed the HTTP password. Okay? As you recall, we changed the password to public 1, but PVNMS still has public set. And we could test this by click on Web Config. You could see it asks us for our username and password. Now I could type in the password. I could also select Remember My Credentials, but that's only for this session. If I go out and go ahead and come back in, what it's going to do is it's going to keep on asking me for the same password. Okay, so forth and so on. All right. Now to get over this, we need to set the password to the correct one. We click on Tools, Password Management, select our radios. Now we type in public 1, whatever password we typed in. Click Save, click OK, exit out. Now if we click on Web Management, we have access to the radios. There's no need to retype it over and over again. PVNMS now is in sync with the radios themselves. To learn more about Proxim Wireless and our solutions, please visit us at proxim.com or follow us at Twitter @Proxim.